Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp link. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, open up any text editor. For now, I'll open my notes. Create a new notes. You can use any apps where you can just type any text. In order to create a WhatsApp link, type in https, give a colon, and then /. This is the secured version of HTTP protocol. It is used to send data between web browser and a website. You might have seen this in every web links. After you type this, now type in wa.me, again give a slash. Now enter the registered number of the WhatsApp account for which you want to create the WhatsApp link. For example, I'll enter my own number. With this, you can create a link for any WhatsApp number, but the thing is this number must have a WhatsApp account. After you enter your number, now copy this whole thing. Now head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser, tap on the search bar and paste the link you just created. And if you search for it, it'll prompt you to the WhatsApp page of this account. Now if you tap on this continue to chat button, it'll take you to the WhatsApp. So that's how you can create a WhatsApp link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.